In this tutorial, we're going to edit this landscape photo. To get a bit more room, I'll hide the browser using the shortcut Command B. To start editing your photos, the Quick Tool tab is a great place to start. So first, I'd like to brighten the photo as it's a bit dark, so I'll just increase the exposure. And I want this to feel a bit warmer, so in the white balance, I'll just add some more magenta using the tint slider. The photo looks a little flat, which is often the case for backlit photos, so I'll just increase the contrast. And I'll brighten those midtones using the brightness slider. Let's increase the saturation just to make those blue tones pop a bit more. Now let's get some details back in those highlights. So I'll just lower the highlight slider. And for even more impact, let's darken the silhouette further by lowering the shadows. And using the black slider, I can darken those very darkest tones as well. And to add a bit more contrast to the midtones, I can just increase the clarity. Finally, I'd like to adjust the crop, so I'll select my crop cursor tool here. And just remove the bottom right corner so it's a bit cleaner. I can now press enter to see that new crop. So I'm happy with those edits. Here is the photo straight out of camera. And now with a few quick adjustments.